So we wanted to give a quick screencast that explains how to use this form, just in case you're in a situation where you don't have a DIS with you and you're kind of having questions about how this works. So prior to filling in this form, you are going to take notes and observe a teacher teaching a class. And in those notes, you should be focusing specifically on what the kids are showing in terms of qualitative and quantitative data. Are they enjoying the process? Do we see kids that are engaged? Do we see learning happening, or do we not? Quantitatively, how are students performing on assessments? How are they performing on exit tickets or informal assessments? So you've taken notes collectively in a class. Now, when you meet back in a separate setting, sitting around a table, this is a place for everyone to kind of funnel those notes into one space that then we can share back with when we go back to the district office. And so here is a place for putting qualitative data, so listening to what everyone says and then having one person take notes and type in the qualitative things that are seen. Will there be a narrative of what happened? We'd like there to be specific quotes from what students said, and then even some pictures, because we all have cameras, so at this point we can drop some pictures in of what the lesson looked like, or even if you wanted to link a video, feel free. And then we have a section for quantitative data. So this is a place where you tally up the actual results from whatever data it is that you collected, and you put numbers in. So, the percentage of kids who are correct, any way that you want to define that idea of quantitative. We'll leave it up to the teams to put the definitions there, but we want it to be quantitative types of data. And so this conversation will be happening, and we'd like this to get filled in so that when we bring it back, we have things to talk about in your PLCs. And then this last section here is for revision ideas. So we want it first to be about just what happened and making sure we understand what happened. And then this little box here, spending time when you're still at the school site to say, like, if we were to do this again, I know we don't have the time to do it today, but if we were to do it again, here are some things that we would definitely revise, change, make better. So that's how this little form works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or talk to each other or watch this video again.